This is our 6-week walk, huh?
Yep, exactly right. Yes.
Yeah, you're not even limping. You're putting full weight on, just kind of using that for stability.
Love it, love it, love it.
Awesome.
I'm Marilyn, and I'm 90 years old. And what brought me to Dr. Cagle is a story. I fell about 1.5 years ago and had to have surgery. I still was not real happy with the way things had gone. So I met with Dr. Cagle. Well, that didn't, let me tell you, because I'm an active person. I volunteer. I want to get back driving again. I want to do everything on my own. I'm very independent. Lived alone for the last 21 years because my husband passed away. So that being said, went to Dr. Cagle and he performed this surgery, put both of my legs exactly the same. I am thrilled to pieces with this surgery. I am thrilled, to be honest, with the surgery.
Well, thank you. It's been my privilege to work with you, so thank you.
Well, I'm thanking you for doing the surgery, let me tell you. And
No
what
problem.
you told me there was the best thing you could have ever said to me.